I teach cardio, weight training, strength training, and yoga also.
So, how passionate you are to learn English? Whose wedding was that? What did you wear? You wore a lehenga or sari?
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. What's your name?
My name is Bhavna.
Your name is Bhavna. Okay. So, Bhavna, where are you speaking from?
I'm from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Okay. Okay. How's the weather? Is it cold?
Yeah, yeah, it's cold.
Okay.
Just in morning and evening time, this is cold, and now it's okay.
Oh, so in the afternoon it's okay. But I am in Delhi
Yes,
NCR area. It's quite cold throughout the day.
yes, yes.
So, Anita, as we are meeting for the very first time, oh, I'm sorry I called you Anita. Your
Sorry,
name is Bhavna.
Bhavna.
Bhavna. So, as we
Yeah,
are meeting for the very first time, I would like to know about you. So, please introduce yourself.
thanks, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. I'm Bhavna. I live in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I'm born and brought up from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And after getting married, I'm settled down in Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Mhm.
And basically, I'm a fitness trainer and yoga instructor. I take online classes. Before that, I was working on a fitness app. So in this February, I just left the job and I'm just taking my personal online sessions. In my family, me, my husband, and my son. My son is living in now is in Bangalore. That's it about me.
So, your son is working in Bangalore.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, you are now a fitness instructor. You give online classes. So, do you teach cardio and resistance training, everything, and yoga as well?
Yeah, yeah. I teach everything except Zumba. I teach cardio, weight training, strength training, and yoga also.
Oh, that's great. So, earlier you were working on an app. Was it My Fitness Pal?
Fitness, Fit Plus, and it was last converted in Carl Sport.
Okay, okay.
Carl Sport app. I was working in there.
How is it different from giving online classes from home? So, are you finding this better?
Yeah, before that, before COVID, I was working in a gym, so it was convenient to me to take on offline classes because we can see the what is the other person is doing correct or not, and we can correct on them. But after COVID, the gyms were closed, and I left my job. So I was searching online jobs. So I was not sure about online how to I deal with online classes, except exercise. How can I show and how they can correct? So I just grabbed the opportunity because I selected in interview and I just started my online first session. So I was not very sure. So first time I was nervous to taking online session, but slowly, gradually, I was habitual at, and I think it is a very convenient for everyone because we are connecting so many persons and so many states we are connecting and online, but offline we are limited. We are just dependent on our local times. So it is now I'm more convenient in online sessions. So I am taking now online sessions.
Okay. So, you started your journey with offline training. You used to work in your, nearby gym. Okay.
Yeah.
So, after COVID, you started teaching online. And later on, after getting some experience, you started your own online classes and you left the job.
No, no, I they stopped the sessions for trainer and dietitian. So
Now you are able to teach more people. But do you think in online
Mhm.
classes you are able to correct their posture well?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
in
sure.
offline
Because my
classes you
client
were,
is getting.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Before that, I was not sure, but I'm taking classes for last 4 to 5 years now online only.
Oh,
So I am correcting their posture very well. They know how to do, and when they correct wrong, that I immediately I will correct, and they will get the what I'm trying to say.
so you have to keep an eye on everyone who is attending the session
Yeah, yeah.
so that you can,
Yes, yes.
correct their postures. So how many people do you take in one, one session?
I take only 5 to 6% so that I can see each and every one
Yeah.
correctly.
Because if there would be 10, 15 people, then you won't
So
be able
that
to
is
see
not possible.
everyone. Yeah,
Mm.
then it won't be
Yes, yes.
possible. Because some people,
And if
I had,
someone is
yeah, yeah, please go
yeah,
on.
if someone is doing wrong, so it will I will immediately catch it because if someone 4% is doing correct and 1% is doing wrong, so it automatically catch that he's doing correct and not correct.
Okay, okay, okay. So you mean to say the person who is taking online classes also gets full value for money. So it's not like
Yeah,
that if you take offline classes, then only you get the value.
yeah,
Okay.
yes, that's well.
I had joined yoga classes once, and those were online classes. That guy used to take some, 20, 25 people. So we
Uh,
were not sure whether we were doing it correctly or not.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
So in
That's
online,
why I take only
yeah.
5% because I want to focus each and every one.
Okay, you want to focus on everyone. How many sessions do you take in a day?
Now I'm taking only morning and evening sessions.
Okay, only 2 sessions and five
Yeah.
people each. So you are currently giving classes to 10 people in a day.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yeah.
they have classes once in, thrice a week or twice a week or daily.
No, Monday to Friday, daily, Monday to Friday, 5 days in a week.
Mhm. And do you do some job also apart from that, or only giving online classes now?
No, I am giving online now because before that I was working as I told you. So that time I was very stuck because back to back that time I have a session, so I was fully occupied. Now I am free and so I am learning this language also. I am getting time to learn this language. Before that I have no time. I had no time. So now I am using my time and I am searching a job, a good job. But as you know, my age is now over, so I'm getting that problem. So I want to join any good institute or any something else, but criteria is there now.
You want to join some institute for learning English
No. For just my classes,
for your online classes.
I took my classes from Academy English for English speaking. I did my courses for 6 months.
Okay, okay. So now you are looking for a job in fitness, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they closed the session which I was working last 4 years. So
Okay.
I'm not looking for any others
And you don't want to
fitness
teach
one.
offline now because you had no time for yourself.
Yes.
You had back-to-back sessions. Now you get
But now
time
I
for
have
yourself.
time because but because my son is not here, so I'm feeling very lonely. At that time, I feel very. Sometimes I feel depressed, so I want to occupy myself.
Okay, okay. So earlier you were okay with morning and evening session because you had some time for yourself and you were happy with that. But
Yes,
now after your son has gone, you feel very lonely. The house feels empty. Now you want to get a bit more occupied, right?
yes, ma'am.
So when did your son leave for Bangalore?
Now just 4 days ago. Before
Oh,
that, he was there, but from for Diwali he came here, and there was a family function, marriage function. So he stayed at least 1 month, and after 1 month he again went
okay.
Bangalore.
So when did he start working in Bangalore?
From July month.
Okay. So since July, he has been living in Bangalore, and you feel that the house feels, you feel lonely. But when he
Yes.
came for the wedding and Diwali, so, you felt so
So
good, and
yeah,
now
that
he
time I
left
was
again.
happy. I'm feeling very. My mood was like I'm cloud on nine. So I now last 4 days I am feeling not well. That I am trying to overcome.
Okay, okay. So you are still getting used to the fact that he has gone again. So he left again, and you feel
Yes,
lonely again. And you were on cloud
yes,
nine when he came here. Okay. He left just
yeah,
4 days ago, right?
yeah,
So does he
yes.
live with a room partner or he lives alone?
He live alone.
He lives alone. Okay. So does he cook himself or he has hired a cook?
No, he does himself.
Oh, he cooks himself. So you have taught him cooking.
No, I did not teach him, but he learned his own.
Oh, he learned cooking on his own after moving to Bangalore?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So he makes his food himself every day. That's great.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And has he made some friends now? Is he feeling good in Bangalore or he's still Homesick.
He's all friends, classmates, class fellows are settled in Bangalore. So he's all friends are there. So he's not feeling alone. And at one time, home away from home is feel like that, but I am feeling too much. So he said also, Minky, don't feel like that. I have to go there and I have to work for some time. Then I will came back.
Okay. He has plans to come back. He will come back
Yeah.
after working for a few years in Bangalore.
Yes, yes.
Then he will get good opportunities in Chhattisgarh, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. So he is not feeling homesick now. Now he is enjoying there. So initially he missed you a lot.
He missed me, but he doesn't tell me because I am very emotional and overthinker. So he did not send me anytime, but he said ki I am also emotional. I have also heart, so don't do like this. Don't cry. And he tried to make me understand that this is my time to work. I will do and don't say these words and let me go. And that's all this words to me. And I am trying to understand that time is he has to do some work for himself
Yes, he is.
and build his career because he want to settle in business. So that's why starting initially is struggling so much.
Mhm. Okay, he will do a job for a few years, then he will start his own business. Okay.
Because he's doing business also apart from his job. He's doing business. So when he settle down his business, he will left the job and he will settle his business.
So where is his business? Business is in Chhattisgarh?
No. He's all over India. So sometimes he's looking for Bangalore. Sometimes he has to go for Bombay. So many countries. So he's trying to
Expand the
what to
business.
say,
Settle.
expanding and settle down. When he settle down, he will set the branches and he's planning for Dubai and also Vietnam. So he's planning that
So
type
what
of
is his business?
business. He's trending also, and now it's dry fruit he has taken from uh, what to say. I don't.
He does some online
I'm
business,
unable to
right?
online
And
goods and he's transferred here and there. So that's type of business he's doing.
okay, and he is currently working on his business, and he wants to expand his business worldwide, and he's working very hard on it. Okay.
Yeah,
So when his business will be established, then he will move to Chhattisgarh, right?
yeah.
Okay. Do you have other children also, or he's the only child?
He's the only child.
Oh, that is why you feel so lonely, huh? And yeah, what does your husband do?
He's done his own business.
Okay. Do you spend a lot of time with each other because now your son is not there, so you need more time with your husband, no?
Yeah, he's a businessman. He occupied fully, not fully, but he gives me time. But I want to occupy with my work. I'm searching some work and I'm doing on my work. I used to occupy every time so
Yes,
that I don't think anything else.
Yes, it's good to, keep yourself busy so that we are not looking for other people's time. And if we keep bothering other people, they also think that, you should keep yourself busy. So when you are
Yes.
busy, the other people will automatically come back to you,
Hmm.
isn't it? And
Yes.
do you have friends also in the neighborhood?
No, I have no friends.
Okay. So is it not a society kind of a thing?
No. It is a independent residential area, and I don't want to go and gossip someone because there are so many ladies groups, so they are gossiping for each other. So I don't like. I started to go there one or two times, but I don't like that type of conversation which they are doing.
Okay.
So it's
So
good to learn some new skill or conversation, or I'm listening the English conversation or movies. So I think
okay.
that's
So
the good way.
you are spending your time to learn a new skill, which is English. So, how passionate you are to learn English?
Because I was working in fitness app, so that time I have to connect so many persons. So that time I was not able to connect with them because some person are very advanced English speaker.
Mhm.
And that time I felt that I have to learn this English when I get time. So I will work on this. So I'm now I'm getting time. So I just joined the academy for learning this language, and I just completed a course of 6 months.
Mhm.
And I'm just listening when I'm walking and while I'm doing my household chores. I'm listening all the time, and while I'm watching some TV serials, I just uh, use that subtitle to read. I just mute their voice, and I am trying to understand in English.
Mhm.
So that is helping me. And while speaking, at least last month, almost 1 month, I did not speak to anyone. Now I am starting from
Okay,
today
okay. So you are connecting with
because I
people.
was busy. Yeah, I was busy in marriage function, and that
Okay.
time I want to spend some time with my son.
Mhm.
So that's I did not connect to anyone
Okay. How do you connect with other people on some app?
on Skype.
Okay, okay. On site. You are in a Skype group?
Yeah,
Oh, that's amazing that you are learning English and you are talking to people. That's great. So for 1 month you enjoyed at the wedding.
yeah.
Whose wedding was that?
1 month. My husband's mama's son.
Okay. What did you wear? You wore a lehenga or sari?
Yeah, I wore a lehenga and a sari also, both. In healthy function, I wore a yellow sari, and in reception and wedding, I wore a lehenga.
Okay. Your son also enjoyed at the wedding?
Yeah, he was totally occupied and busy, so doing all his works because this that his friendship is with him.
Okay.
So they are very close friends.
Okay. He's friends with the groom. So he's close to him.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah,
So you all danced a lot at the Mehndi function?
yeah. In Mehndi function, in Bharat function, we dance a lot.
Okay. Do you want to ask me anything? Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, ma'am. I want to ask that how do I improve my English speaking?
See, to improve your English, you should do listening as well as speaking. So you are already watching English conversations, English videos, English movies. You start just, increase your English speaking practice. Yeah. That will give you more confidence when you connect with people on a regular basis. That is all you need. Right?
Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
And
Because 1 month I did not speak to anyone, but I'm just trying to speak with myself only. Because I fear that I can maybe I could forget to speaking. But when I was speaking in front of camera, so that time I was initially had a fear
Mhm.
to face the camera. In my class also I faced this issue because I
Okay,
was not
okay.
confident to talk. So
Okay.
my ma'am also said you have a confidence, but I think I have a lack of confidence. I am not able to speak so much. So I improved. I had a first conversation with Manju ma'am.
Okay. So is this the second one?
Yeah, no, second one, no. After that, I talked to so many YouTubers. I did not remember in a Skype group only.
Okay, okay. So
So
when you conducted your online fitness sessions, then also you have to speak, right? When you
yeah,
conduct
that time I
online
was speaking
sessions.
in English. Yeah, that
Okay,
time I am
that time
only
you have
speaking
to
in
speak in
English.
English. Okay, okay, okay. There also you faced a little problem initially, but now you speak
Hmm.
confidently in front of the camera when you take
Yeah,
fitness
yeah.
sessions. Yeah, that increases your
Yeah,
that
in my classes I
increases
am
confidence.
confident because I know everyone. But talking to 4 to 5 members in front of me, that time I feel hesitate.
Hmm.
So it is my problem. And one on one, I am not feeling so much nervous
Okay.
because first conversation when I did with Manju ma'am, she made me so comfortable. So I'm able to talk with 30 minutes, and I don't feel any hesitation or lack of confidence.
Okay.
After that, I improved lot of much, that I'm now able to face the camera, and I can do the conversation.
Yeah, you are definitely able to face the camera and you are not looking nervous at all. You are looking quite confident. Yeah. Normally, I ask people, are you feeling nervous or are you feeling comfortable? But you looked confident as soon as you introduced yourself. So that is why I didn't ask you anything. You spoke really
Okay,
well.
thank you, ma'am. Because
Yeah.
but because I tried to contact you, I think long ago.
Oh,
But I think, yeah, in Instagram I messaged you long ago, but so that time it was not possible due to some time, I think time criteria.
okay. Yeah, I remember I had replied to you, but I think it didn't work out. So
Yes,
finally we
ma'am.
connected. Yeah. You spoke well and
Yes,
just keep practicing more. And we can connect again after a gap of 1 month. Okay. So
yeah,
please,
ma'am.
you
Sure.
can approach me again. Okay, then. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
ma'am.
Best of luck.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It was a nice and fruitful session for me. Thank you
Yeah.
for giving me so time.
I also enjoyed talking to you. Okay, then. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Yeah, same to you.